nothing is going to happen, and
Oh, no.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Dana here, and I have a really good news for you because today we're gonna have no financial statements, no ratio analysis, just me and you having some fun. And actually for this purpose I invited my friend.
Hi.
Hi Diana, and so why are you here?
I don't know. You told me it's gonna be a surprise.
Yeah, actually it's gonna be a surprise. And for how long have you been using StockMetrix?
For about 1 month, and I really love this app because it's very useful.
Yeah, actually we're gonna take StockMetrix app and we're gonna have a challenge today. As you know, StockMetrix has a lot of indicators, and you can actually mix those indicators and make good strategies. So we're gonna have our cell phones and backtest some strategies. The person who is gonna get the lower annual return is gonna be punished, and the punishment is going to be this thing. And we have our friend backstage, so she's gonna come and put this on each of us, and we don't know who actually won or lose, so we're gonna see. And yeah, I'm really scared.
Me too.
So I guess we're gonna start, and maybe the first and the best company to pick would be Apple. And I guess we know a little bit about this company, so let's start. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it.
So as you can see from the video recording, I decided to pick analytics opinion, ratio analysis, and use sentiment indicators. Well, first of all, my choice was on these indicators because I decided to choose only positive signaling ones, and actually I made a video on ratio analysis and you can check it out. Basically that's where I explain what is it. And analytics opinion, well, sometimes you have to trust those big players because they know maybe more.
I chose two of my indicators are the same as Dana's, and also I chose short interest float, and it shows short sales, and I think it's very important to the price. Also I chose seasonality because it shows what the stock should be worth based on the previous seasonal prices, and I think it's pretty important for Apple too. And the last one indicator is industries indicator. It shows the overall performance of the industry. I think it has a significant effect of the company. I'll not show you first.
No, you first.
No, come on.
You go.
Let's show it to the public.
Okay. Just actually we don't know who won or who lose, and if I won, nothing is going to happen. And okay, that hurts actually.
Hey, I won.
How many percent did you have?
About 34, and you?
I had 24s.
Oh.
And I actually thought that I won, so yeah, too bad. So that was pretty exciting, and the second company is gonna be Amazon. Okay. So let's do it.
Firstly, we should choose Amazon stock. Now we're going into basket, and here I'm choosing indicators. As you see, I chose ratio analysis, macroeconomy, and options. Options indicates amount of calls and puts, and stock options market affect stock's price notably, and many of people underestimate them, so I choose it. Then I changed the weights of indicators and gave more weight to ratios and options, and backtested my strategy.
I choose macroecon as well, and also I added financial statements to it. And financial statements indicator basically provides an analysis of the company's quarterly issued financial statements. So, and I also have a video on it, so you should check it out. And you know, I did that as well. I put more weights to the macroecon indicator, and then backtested my strategy.
I'm done.
I'm not.
I'm waiting for you.
I'm done. And I'm gonna show you.
I'm gonna show you too.
Okay.
Nothing happened? Or
So you can lose, huh?
again.
Yep. So just let's switch it. Let's do a win and then.
Oh no, it's not a good dancing stocks. Do it! 4 times, come on!
Loser! how many percentage did you have?
I don't remember even after this thing.
But I had
about 65.
I had 65 too.
What? What was that?
So the third company that we're gonna choose is probably gonna be Tesla, and I hope that this is the last company because I'm done with this shocker thing. Let's do it.
Now we move to Tesla, and here I chose New Sentiment and Financial Statements. New Sentiment influences on Tesla very much, I think, because this is an innovative company and the whole world follows them.
I choose technical analysis and analyst's opinion. Well, technical analysis, it basically focuses on price movements, charts, and various analytical tools to evaluate the stock's strength and weaknesses, and forecast the future price changes. So that's basically why I chose it. And analytics opinion.
So the indicators are looking awful, and actually I think I'm gonna lose.
Oh no, I'm sure I'm gonna lose, so should have chosen. I have also bad results, so
Okay, so I'm done.
again, happening again. Oh, God, Jesus!
Stop! I won. Queen is dead. Okay. So you can see that I won in this challenge, and actually I forgot to mention that Diana has a financial background, but I've been using StockMetrix for longer time, so I guess that's why I got better results. So check out StockMetrix, because even if you're a newbie and have no financial background, you can also have good backtest results and maybe win the challenge, and maybe you want to do the same challenge with your friends. So please share this video, and thank you Diana for being here. Hopefully that's not the last video, and put this video a big thumb up. Comments and suggestions, I really appreciate it. I will see you next week, so bye.
Bye bye.